Grammar, page 103. The name of a special person or place is a proper noun. You already know that a noun is a person, place, or thing, but when it's a special person or place, we call that a proper noun. And proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Circle the proper noun in each sentence. Then write it correctly on the line. How do we make a proper noun correct? Right, we need to capitalize it. Let's go ahead and read number 1. Val has some sand and a glass jar. What's our noun, our proper noun? Remember, it's a special person or place. Right, Val. And how do we write that correctly on the line? Yes, capital V-A-L. Because it's a special name. Number 2. Is the sand from Jones Beach? What is our proper noun? Remember, a special person or place. Yes, Jones Beach. Let's go ahead and capitalize it. And don't forget to circle it. You might need to write smaller to fit it all. Number 3. No, Mother got it at a little shop. What is the proper noun in this sentence? Right, it's mother. Go ahead and circle mother and write it on the line. Remember to write it correctly by capitalizing the first letter. Go ahead and do number 4 and 5 by yourself. Remember to capitalize the special person or place because it's a proper noun.